Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Najwa Kaifalia Rizky. Saya dari kelas 10 MIPA 4 ingin membacakan cerita tentang Malin Kundang. Upon a time, there was a young live in West Sumatra named Malin Kundang. He lived with a poor fisherman family. His father went to sea to make a living for his family, and he never come back to home. People made an issue about his father's death. This issue made his mother anxious every day. Several months later, his mother chose to forget about his father. She realized that she had to work hard. She did a lot of work all day and night. Unfortunately, she still didn't get enough money for her family. Malin clothed him with his mother's suffering. He did to go selling and made money. He wanted to become a rich man so he could help his mother. At first, his mother didn't allow him to go. She was afraid Malin did not come back like his father did. At the last, Malin got to his mother alone to go. Several years later, he became a rich sailor. He had many ships and crews. He was married with a beautiful girl and had 3 children. He had a business in an island with it is hot one. In this island he met an old lady. She hugged Malin very tightly. However, Malin closed and pushed her. He realized that old woman is his mother, but he was afraid is this wife and children know about his mother. So he told the old lady to go away. He said his mother was from a rich family. Nothing about his son's bad attitude. She was sad and angry. She prayed and said that Malin had to change into stone. Malin Kundang even scolded her more. After finishing his business, he went sailing back with his wife and children. On the sea, the sky instantly overcast. Lightning and rain was falling. Their ship hit the rocks and closed. Malin swayed to the shore. The magic happened. He turned into stone like her mother wished. It was known as Malin Kundang stone by people of West Sumatra.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Bilqis Nazala Kisti dari kelas 10 MIPA 4. Di sini saya akan menceritakan tentang Malin Kundang. Alkisah hiduplah seorang pemuda bernama Malin Kundang yang merupakan anak dari keluarga nelayan yang miskin. Ayahnya pergi ke laut untuk mencari nafkah demi keluarganya. Namun, sudah beberapa tahun lamanya ayahnya tidak pernah kembali lagi ke rumah. Hal ini yang membuat masyarakat sekitar mempermasalahkan akan kematian ayahnya dan membuat ibunya cemas setiap hari. Beberapa bulan kemudian, ibunya memilih untuk melupakan ayahnya karena ia menyadari ia harus bekerja keras demi memenuhi kebutuhan hidupnya sehari-hari. Sepanjang harinya, dari pagi, siang, sore hingga malam, ia selalu bekerja keras. Uang yang ia dapatkan belumlah cukup untuk memenuhi kebutuhan hidupnya sehari-hari. Hal itulah yang membuat Malin tidak tega akan penderitaan ibunya. Ia kemudian memutuskan untuk berlayar dan mencari uang. Tetapi ibunya tidak menyetujui akan hal itu, karena ia takut Malin akan seperti suaminya yang tidak pernah kembali lagi ke rumah. Malin terus membujuknya, dan akhirnya Malin diperbolehkan untuk pergi berlayar. Akhirnya pun Malin pergi berlayar. Beberapa tahun kemudian, Malin sukses menjadi pelaut yang kaya. Ia mempunyai banyak kapal dan kru. Ia juga telah menikah dengan gadis cantik dan telah memiliki 3 orang anak. Suatu ketika, ia mempunyai perjalanan bisnis ke sebuah pulau yang merupakan kampung halamannya. Di sana ia bertemu dengan wanita tua. Lalu kemudian wanita tua itu pun terus memeluk erat Malin. Malin mendorong dan memarahinya. Ia tahu bahwa itu merupakan ibunya. Namun ia tidak mau mengakuinya karena ia takut istri dan ketiga anaknya tahu bahwa ibunya bukan dari seorang yang kaya. Ibunya pun sakit hati karena perlakuan anaknya. Ia pun berdoa agar anaknya berubah menjadi sebuah batu. Kemudian, Malin pun berlayar kembali bersama istri dan ketiga anaknya. Di tengah-tengah perjalanan, kapal Malin terkena badai. Mereka semua tenggelam ke lautan. Malin terhuyung-huyung ke tepian dan keajaiban pun datang. Seluruh tubuh Malin berubah menjadi batu. Batu ini seringkali disebut batu Malin Kundang di Sumatera Barat. Cerita ini selesai. Sekian dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.